Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers. Today I will show you how to find out allowable bearing capacity of C2 pile using standard penetration test SPT value from soil test report. So let's see. See here one Excel sheet. I have prepared it. Here we can see the red mark value we will change, then we can get our expectation result or allowable bearing capacity easily. So let's see step by step. This is diameter of pile B 20 inch and length of pile L 15 meter and factor of safety 2.5 and average N value it will get from our soil test report. So let's see, this is depth versus N value respect to the borehole location. Here we see the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 borehole here, and this is the SPT value respect to the depth of boring. So let's see how we'll get this value from soil test report. Here one borehole chart, the soil test report 1. See, this is depth of boring and this is the SPT value, and this is SPT value respect to the depth of boring. See, this is 5 meter depth, the boring is SPT value 6. See, I convert this depth of I convert this feet to meter, and see this is 1.5 meter, 3 meter, 4.5 meter. Accordingly this increase and from 1.5 meter. Here the SPT value 6, 7, 6, 15, 20, 26, like this 6, 7, 6, 15. This value is taken from here respect to the depth of boring. Same way, if we see the boring number 2, same we also take the value from SPT value 5, 6, 6, 13, 5, 6, 6, 13, 18, 20, 26, 34, 36 and 38 based on the depth of boring. Same way we will take the value, the soil test report from borehole chart, like this is borehole number 5, the SPT value 3, 3, 8, 12, 14, 3, 3, 8, 12, 14, 20, 28, 32, 34, 38. Like this way we input the value and we'll take the average N value. Get the average N value. Now see, the average N value is taken based on the 15 meter length of pile. See, the 15 meter length pile is here. The average N value 36.125. That's why we input automatically generate 36.125. Now see, the N bearing capacity QP, the formula is 20 N L by B less than or equal to 100 N. So we input the value, and so N bearing capacity QPU, the between two value, lower value is here kilonewton, and area of pile 0.203 square meter. Ultimate bearing capacity QU formula QP plus QS, and QP equal to QP AP plus QS AS, and AP is equal to pi b square by 4, and QS equal to N and AS equal to pi BL. We just according to this formula we have got this result, and we just convert the value in Newton to ton, and allowable bearing capacity ultimate bearing capacity divided by factor of safety. we will get the allowable bearing capacity. Now assume the column load is 200 ton and group efficiency 92%, then number of pile required 3 nos. If we change the value of load assuming 400, then number of pile also change accordingly. So in this way we can find out the allowable bearing capacity of pile, as well as also we can find out the number of pile easily.